I want to show you that math can be fun.
Imathimation is a fun and exciting show that teaches kids to think outside the box and understand that math is a part of our everyday world.
There's 1 on A side, 4 on B side, 3 on C side, 6 on D side. We're getting back at 1 on A side. Now, believe it or not, you were just using your math skills. You were counting and you were grouping.
With thrilling magic tricks or mathematical equations, kids will be amazed to see math appear before their very eyes as they see how it affects music, building, and even baking.
1 cup of water coming up. 1 cup of water. Whoa, water going everywhere. Okay, water going everywhere. That means I'd have to fill this up 4 times to have as much as fits inside this 1 whole cup of water. I think his eggs were laid by a decoy duck.
Well, we see things in groups. So you normally see 1, 2, 3 when you have that group together. Right? If you're only 2, you'd have 1 here and 1 down here. But when you see it like that, your mind accepts the fact that there's a 3rd one there. But there's really not. There's just a wax there.
Also, this show introduces a basic understanding of finance.
All right, now how much do I have in the bank now? $6. Now, because we have twice as much in there as we did before, that means we get to wait a shorter amount of time to earn the same amount of interest. Just because we were patient, we used our money wisely, didn't go out and spend it all, and math went to work for us. I can get pretty excited about math when I can see that it'll make money for me.
Solve your students' problems with math by using the power of Imathimation today.
You know what? I ran into your teacher the other day. You ran into my teacher? Yeah. You better learn how to drive. I wasn't driving. You ran into her walking? You better sober up. I'll tell you what, we're going to do a little math work. Work! That's a dirty word. Well, we're going to let you work a little math problem. Uh-oh. Stand back, folks. This could be dangerous.